Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cue Tip Shaper is probably one of the most important yet overlooked tools in the arsenal of any serious billiards player. A perfectly shaped cue tip dramatically impacts your game's accuracy and consistency, translating directly to improved shots and higher scores. This video will explore the world of cue tip shapers, helping you choose the perfect one to elevate your game to the next level, covering everything from different types of shapers to essential maintenance tips. Number 5. GSE Billiard Cue Tip Tool. This innovative tool is designed to improve your game. It's small, convenient, and perfect for players of all skill levels. Use the shaper to lightly roughen the tip surface for better chalk adhesion and improved ball control. It's quick and easy. The scuffer helps you achieve the ideal dome curvature on your cue tip with a simple rotating motion. Get consistent shots every time. If your tip is new or compressed, use the aerator to slightly break up the surface. This will help it hold more chalk. It also includes a joint protector to keep your cue in top condition. This is a must-have for any serious player. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your case. Take it with you wherever you play. What we like. It's a 4-in-1 tool that includes a shaper, scuffer, aerator, and joint protector. Its compact size makes it perfect for carrying around. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for maintaining your cue tip, this is the one for you. Number 4. Adhafera Cue Tip Shaper. This innovative tool offers 3 functions to maintain your cue tips. It's perfect for shaping new tips or restoring old ones, ensuring peak performance. With its aerator, scuff, and tapper, it quickly shapes your cue tip to perfection. Get the ideal dome arc and chalk grip for consistent shots. The aerator softens the tip, the scuff creates the dome, and the tapper refines the surface for optimal chalk adhesion. It's all about precision and control. Its smooth, palm-sized design fits comfortably in your hand. It's easy to carry, making it perfect for use anywhere. Made with high-quality aluminum and durable stainless steel, it's built to last. The scuff component uses natural gravel for effective shaping. This multifunctional tool makes a great gift for any pool player. Its stylish design and multiple color options make it a welcome addition to any game room. What we like. This 3-in-1 tool offers quick and efficient shaping, scuffing, and aerating. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable hold during use. If you value speed and comfort in your cue tip maintenance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Heavy duty. Arrived the next day and a lot nicer than I thought it would be. Feels nice and heavy. Looks great and I bought it in the silver version. Great craftsmanship and quality. Having had to replace the tip on my cue, the new tip looked a bit flat, and although I'm not very good at snooker, I reached a new lower level. After shaping the tip, I got a red and a color for each of my first 3 visits. The tool seems to be quite robust and should last a long time. Number 3. 3-in-1 Cue Tip Tool. This innovative tool is designed to improve your game by preparing your cue tip for optimal chalk adhesion and performance. It's 3 tools in one, making maintenance quick and easy. The scuffer gently roughens the surface of your cue tip, allowing chalk to adhere better. This ensures better ball control and accuracy. The aerator helps to break up the surface of your cue tip, whether it's new or compressed from use. This ensures it holds more chalk for consistent performance. With the shaper, you can carefully contour your cue tip to your preferred dome shape for a personalized feel and improved shot accuracy. It's made from durable brushed stainless steel with a non-slip design for comfortable and controlled use. This ensures it will last for many games to come. This handy tool combines 3 essential functions into one convenient design, making cue tip maintenance simple and efficient. Get the most out of your game with this essential accessory. What we like. It's a simple yet effective 3-in-1 tool for scuffing, shaping, and aerating cue tips. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. If you need a reliable and straightforward tool, this is a great option. Number 2. Scott Edward 8-in-1 Cue Tip Shaper. This innovative tool is designed to give you complete control over your pool cue tip maintenance. It's 8 tools in one, making it incredibly versatile and convenient for players of all skill levels. It trims, cleans, scuffs, shapes, aerates, and presses your cue tip. You'll find everything you need for precise tip maintenance in this single, handy device. With its sharp needles and precisely engineered grooves, it allows for easy cleaning and shaping of your cue tip. Achieve the perfect shape for optimal performance. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for taking with you wherever you play. It's built from high-quality aluminum and carbon steel for long-lasting durability. This tool is both practical and stylish, making it an ideal gift for any pool player. It comes in a variety of colors, so you can find the perfect one to match their style. Take your game to the next level with this essential tool. Maintain your cue tip like a pro and enjoy improved accuracy and control. What we like. This 8-in-1 tool offers a comprehensive solution for all your cue tip needs, from shaping and cleaning to pressing and filing. Its compact size makes it ideal for portability. If you demand versatility and precision, this is the ultimate choice. Number 1. Cuetec Bowtie 3-in-1 Tool. This innovative tool is a must-have for any serious pool player. It's designed to keep your cue tip in top condition, ensuring optimal performance. Use the shaper to create the perfect dome contour for your cue tip. This ensures consistent chalk adhesion and helps prevent miscues. The scuffer gently roughens the cue tip, allowing it to hold chalk more effectively. This leads to improved accuracy and control. The aerator creates tiny holes in the tip, further enhancing chalk absorption. This results in a longer-lasting, more consistent chalk application. It's small enough to fit in your cue case, making it perfect for players on the go. Take it with you to every game, ensuring your cue is always ready. This versatile tool makes a great gift for any pool player, whether they're a beginner or a seasoned professional. It's a practical and thoughtful present. What we like. This professional-grade 3-in-1 tool provides precise shaping, scuffing, and aerating. Its compact design makes it easy to carry to any game. If you are a serious player seeking top-tier performance, this tool is for you. What people say. It's a great product. It's one of the most popular pool cue tools out there. I always have one at all my bags. Definitely a great buy. Looks good, works just like it is supposed to, great value, easy to transport and very durable. The Cuetec Cue Shaper just works, and it works well. Better than any other ones I've previously had, and easier too, and it has more capabilities all wrapped up into a nice, neat, retro-looking design. And it's solid, most definitely not a cheaply made product at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.